first round match of the Copa Libertadores. We're now underway. Launches it high. The keeper's got it. Looking to receive the ball, break could be on. Admittedly it's early, but this game hasn't exactly sparked into life yet. The danger was there, he dealt with it well. Real Garcilaso still to register a shot on target. Played in accurately. Well played, that got them out of trouble. Restarts with a throw-in. And a play again for a throw. An important interception, things were starting to look dangerous. Still waiting for that first goal. You have to admire that control.
Well, we were unlikely to see a goal then because there were so many players crowding out that danger area. I think something very special was going to be needed.
He was well positioned, good defending there. 5 minutes to play in the first half. No, couldn't quite break through that. Going forward. Taniagur. And with that, the referee brings the first half to a close.
Well, the manager surely got to look for one or two creative changes now. They need some service up front.
So, it's 0-0. Let's hope for a goal or two in the second half. So, the second half gets underway. He's been thwarted. Long ball forward. Trouble looming, but he's able to cut it out. Making good progress down the left, but frankly devoid of options. He's looking to find his front men. It was a good ball in, but no goal.
Oh, that was a lovely little dink over the top just to get the runner in on the keeper, and what a pity he just couldn't produce a goal from that.
We've reached the hour mark. I think it's fair to say that defences have been on top so far in this fixture. It'll delight the coaches, if not all of the spectators. That was certainly struck well enough. Götze yet to make a substitution here. Looks like a change is in order. There's a player there waiting to come on.
Well, if the deadlock is about to be...
Plays it through. And that's gone straight to the keeper. Here comes the corner. So, here comes the corner. Too much on it. They were pretty fortunate to get away with that. Plays it long. And he gets it away. 5 minutes to go to full time and the scores are level. Still enough time for a goal. And who knows, at this stage, probably the winner. The cross met firmly. He plays it towards the area. Not this time. Long way off that. Not long to go. It is now or never. Going forward, but what are his options? The referee blows his whistle. I'm sure the players can't be happy at all with that result. A win first time out would have eased the tension, but they didn't really seem to find a rhythm to their game.
Look, that's what supporters love to see. Tremendous will and spirit, crunching tackles and a real desire to attack. Nobody could feel let down by that.